I'll be honest, guys. I was getting nervous. It's so hot out today, I was like, man, these people, they're not gonna be able to take it. They're gonna go home, they're gonna say it's too hot. It's too hot for heavy fucking music. I gotta go home in the AC. But not you, motherfuckers. You are lifers, sick and thin, day to night. Thank you so fucking much for turning up for Bad Omens. I'm gonna need some crowd participation with this one. When I say jump, everyone jumps, and I'm watching. I wanna feel love. 1, 2, 3, jump! 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 Yeah, come in! Like yes, you never really know yourself. Because I've never been the guy to ask for help. Begging for this, I'm begging for this. Alleviation from all the ugly shit. Yeah! Wake me up! Wake me up! Wake me up! Wake me up! There's 1,000 voices in my head. When you're talking, tell me, take a rough around my back. To put them all to rest. We wanna bow up, I wanna bow up. There's 1,000 voices in my head. When you're talking, tell me, take a rough around my back. To put them all to rest. We wanna bow up, I wanna feel love again. Make your fucking heads go! I feel the bill! Yeah, the dirt on my skin! Everyone can see it, and they know where I've been! The devil is my friend! I swear that this is the sound of the end! Whoa! 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 Now I'm swallowed by sin! This is the sound of the No one's swallowed by sin. This is the sound of Full force, make some fucking noise. Hell yeah. While I have your attention, make some noise for my boys in Canal. Alright, as I said before, if you know the words, it is absolutely mandatory that you sing along. I want to hear you over everyone else. Let's go! This is the sound of voices in my head. Take a rough around my neck. To put them all to rest. I wanna feel There's 1,000 voices in my head. Take a rough around my neck. To put them all to rest. Everybody jump when I say 1, 2, 3, jump! This is the sound of the I wanna feel love again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yo, who's excited for Beartooth? What about Lamb of God? And how about those motherfucking legends in Limp Bizkit? Cool, so we're a band called Bad Omens. Put your hands up if you've heard of us before, seen us live. All right, if you put your hand up on the count of 3, I want you to scream really loud, anything you want. 1, 2, 3! Pretty fucking loud, right? So, unless you're a liar, that means you probably know the words to this next song we're about to play. It's called The Worst of Me, and I want to hear you sing.